Hi guys, welcome back. In the last video, we finalized the layout of our product page. So before adding metafields, first we need to finalize the data. And for this purpose, I'm going to take help of AI. So first of all, take screenshot of your product page and upload the screenshot with your product details. So open your product. So this is basically custom dog map necklace. So I'm going to open the same product, copy all its details and paste it here. So with your rough idea, like here is rough layout of my product page with all product details, understand the layout regardless how it is designed, map my product information into it and help me to build this product page. Hit enter. Then AI will analyze your layout and organize all the information based on your layout. So now it gave you the complete details for all the sections. So save it for later use. So with the same method, collect data for all your products and save them. So we can add in Shopify with help of Metafields. So I'm going to add them quickly. And I had already saved all my product data. And that's it for today. If you're following me, hit subscribe. See you in the next video.